If you want to remove your SIM card from iPhone 16e, you need to prepare the SIM eject tool, which you can find, for example, inside the box, at least by default. And then take a look at the left side of the iPhone, where over here we have the SIM tray. Here we have this hole, and we need to insert that tool into that hole over here. So put it in and then push it just a little bit with a little bit of force until the SIM tray is out. And then use your fingers or fingernails in order to remove it completely. To take it out of the phone, here we have our SIM card. You can push it from the bottom with your finger so that the SIM card comes out, and then just put it back. The SIM tray, put it back into its place over here. And just push it with your finger. Like this. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!